walkthrough of our escape room. So they're gonna start it by hitting enter. They get their scenario, basically telling them that they are future ready school. It's on video so you can read it. So from this, they should get the SIX for 6, 9, 4, 7. So 6497 is a number. So they're gonna look around and they should see on one of these tables a box with a 4-digit code. And then we do 6947. Then inside this, they get a black light, a QR code, and a piece of paper that has some future ready stuff with some bolded words. So when I scan the QR code, I get I get this --KRO, which is a book, but they don't know the call numbers for the book, so we've hidden these over here in the tissue boxes. So if they shine a light, they get a 5, and on the other side, it tells them that it's the 4th number. And here, they get a 4, tells them it's the 2nd number. Same thing for here, they just go along. This is a 1, and it's the 3rd number. And then this one is a 7, and it's the 1st number. So you put those numbers together, and they only have access to these books. So KRO is going to be this book right here. So hopefully when they get the book, they're going to open it, and they're going to find a map. And then inside, there's the map right here. Oh, I did put that in there. So here's the map. It's got some 4 holes on it. If you shine the black light, there's got a little light bulb, which is supposed to tell them that it's for the light bright. Some of them have gotten it without using the light bright. So when you come over to the light bright, you just lay it on top. It's got 1 peg showing. So when you lay it on top, it tells them, it tells them that is at the end of the circulation desk, which is the book drop. So we'll come to the book drop. So inside the book drop, they'll look in here. They find a key, which is to open a cabinet in the library workroom, which has a 4-digit lock on it, which we haven't gotten into yet. All right, so the next thing we can do, looking at...
We're closed, babe.
I just remembered to pick up my allowance that we had for the project.
Yes, can you come back in like 10 minutes?
Yes,
Okay.
All right, so the next thing is they've got this sheet of paper. They should notice that there's a infographic here that kind of matches it. So really what it is, it's a math problem. It basically tells them the bolded numbers are saying webinars, you add Regional Institute to multiply. So you look at the sheet, you pull the numbers from here, you make sure you do orders of operation, and you get the number 659 once you do that. So they have that 3-digit number. So that 3-digit number actually opens the workroom over here. And obviously people will do these in different orders. So the 659, this is actually a 4-digit lock, but we've told them that the first one is a G, which is the 7th letter of the alphabet. So it's 7659, which gives them the key to open. And we'll come back to this. So should we do this one now? Because they haven't gotten it. We'll come back to this one.
We have a key.
To get the iPad.
Yeah.
Okay. So inside here, we've got this key that opens this drawer, the one that they got in the book drop. And once they open this drawer, they get an iPad. that has a lock code on it, 4-digit lock code, but they haven't unlocked that yet, okay? So over here, you have things called rebuses. So basically what they do is they solve them and they come up with 3 book titles: Handmaid's Tale, Treasure Island, and Animal Farm, which they should hopefully know are books. And so they have a word lock here. So the word lock opens up to be books. And then once they open this up, there's going to be a logic puzzle that's right here that they're going to use. And there should be a picture here, but they moved it, so we'll grab that. But they're going to use this logic puzzle in conjunction with a book. Carry this around. All right. So, the other things that they'll notice is they have a puzzle cube here. When they put this puzzle cube together, maybe if I can do it the correct way. Anyways, when they put this puzzle cube together, it's going to make a phone. You can kind of see the phone a little bit here. There's going to be a phone on one side, and on the other side, there's going to be a puzzle piece. So these red go together and make a puzzle piece. So that tells them that they need to put this puzzle together. Once they put this puzzle together, they'll have 3 pieces left over, and then those 3 pieces are going to look something like that. They're going to be a 4-digit number, a 3-digit number, and then another 3-digit number that has the parentheses around it. And that's going to tell them that it is a phone number. So using the phone number, they're going to call it on their phone. So I'm going to call that real quick.
Hi, you have reached Jordan Morris. Please leave a message after the beep.
All right, so when they call the number, they get the name of the caller, which is Jordan, and then they get a Morse code, which is 7534. So, on the iPad, the 7534, which is the Morse code, opens it up. And they have this Wallamy app, which basically the Wallamy app is they go around the room and there are shapes scattered about the room. We have a triangle, a star, a circle, and a square. When they go to those, they're going to see 4 things. They're going to see Steve Martin, a Mammoth, Dr. Pepper, and silos. And from there, they should know that that equals Waco. They just don't know what it's there for yet. All right, so let's go back to the TV. So on the TV, after they do this, if they hit reopen portal, they're going to get a 5-digit lock that they don't know what to do with. So hopefully they're seeing that there's 5 digits. And then on this easel, there's 5 different bullet points. So basically what they're going to do is reach inside of here, hoping that they see innovation, and they also do a book study on this. Notice that this is for the innovator's mindset. These are titles of chapters. So when you go to the table of contents, you look at the chapter numbers, and then in order, they come out to be 7, 6, 9, 1, 4. So once they get that, so now they're in. So we're going to enter. Oh, and they need some identifying information. So we're going to do that. So the first thing is, what is your name? The phone call gave them the name of Jordan. So J-O-R-D-A-N. The next question they get is, what city were you born in? Those 4 clues, the silos, the Mammoth, Dr. Pepper, and Steve Martin, is Waco. Because Steve Martin was born in Waco. Dr. Pepper was invented in Waco, even though it's bottled elsewhere. There's a Mammoth Museum in Waco. And then, of course, the silos for Magnolia are Waco. Okay. All right, the next one is, what was the model of your first car? So that's something that they're gonna use their blacklight for, so they should have been shining it around, how they found that. If they come over here to the newspapers, and they shine, they should find some letters. So there's an H. So as they're shining through here, they find enough letters to make the word Chevy, which is their car. So Chevy is the model of the first car. All right, so this one is the pictures, initials of the picture in order. So what they're gonna do is, using that logic puzzle,
Picture's right here.
they're gonna use the picture. So, the logic puzzle is on the cabinet door in there, so they're gonna use that to figure out who each of these people are, and then they're gonna enter the order of the people with their initials. So if I remember correctly, it's Jordan, Peyton, I'm not sure. Right, I got it right. So that shows they did the logic puzzle and they solved it, and then now they wanna know, who are you? So who is the keynote speaker, which is Jordan, this is Jordan. And they escaped.